Two capacitors A 2 microfarad and B 5 microfarad are connected to two batteries as shown in the figure. Then the potential difference in volts between the plates of A is. So let us just make the diagram and take the charges. So this is 18 volt, this is 2 microfarad, this is 11 volt battery or cell, and this is 5 microfarad, this is 2 microfarad. Say charge on this 2 microfarad is, let's say, q1. If this charge is q1, because initially both capacitors are uncharged, right? So that means similar kind of charge will be q2, which will be equal to q1 only on 5 microfarad capacitor, correct? And this is 11 volts battery, this is plus hand, this is minus hand. Obviously I can assume this is plus hand, this is minus hand. Now applying KVL, applying KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law, so we can write 18 minus q1 divided by 2 minus 11 minus q2 divided by 5 will be equal to 0. Clear? So from there I can say that 18 minus 11, which will be 7, equal to q1 plus q2, q1 by 2 plus q2 by 5, and we know that q1 and q2 are going to be same. So q1 by 2 and replace q2 with q1, which is 5. Take the LCM, 10. This will be 5q1 plus 2q1, which is 7. So this is 7 is equal to 7q1 by 10. So this will be cancelled out. From there I got the value of q1, which is 10 microcoulomb. So once I got the value of q1, now I know that q1 is equal to c1 into v1. So v1 will be q1 divided by c1. So from there v1 is going to be 10 microcoulomb divided by 2 microfarad, which will be 2 volts. So this is the potential drop between the plates of A, right? So which option is the correct option? So option number 2 is the right choice. Okay.